NG Realty Private Limited, a company of the reputed NG Group, is well known for creating new standards of architecture, facility and quality in buildings. Now, they create an industrial paradise, a landmark of infrastructure and facility, a world-class special economy zone, the GALLOUPS Special Economy Zone, a dedicated industrial park for engineering industry. But before we explore GALLOUPS, have a look on some of the facts that will ensure a successful choice for setting up your industry at this SEZ. This unique SEZ unveiled soon in the developing state of Gujarat at Rajoura and Vasna Chacharwadi near Bawla, just 26 kilometers away from Ahmedabad.
Every industrialist cannot afford world-class infrastructure. We took inputs from different industries, studied their requirement, and we have tried to provide them under one roof so that they can compete internationally.
GALLOUPS has the advantage of connectivity, air, rail and road. Kandla, Mundra and the upcoming Dholera port are within few hours drive from SEZ. Advantage maritime for global business.
GALLOUPS SEZ offers the privilege of location because it's only 26 km from Ahmedabad. It has access to all advantages of Neo Metro. The biggest advantage is availability of qualified, skilled and non-skilled human resource, and the human resource available here is cost competitive. GALLOUPS SEZ will cater to 120 units and non-process area is 250,000 square meters.
Access to ample human resource with easy availability of skilled and non-skilled labor. Watch a preview of the industrial paradise called GALLOUPS SEZ and explore all the facilities that will be yours soon. An outstanding industrial zone is its hi-fi infrastructure, high-tech facilities, and environment friendliness. Inland Container Depot will make importing raw materials and exporting products trouble-free. You can turn these huge plots into industrial sheds or high-tech factory buildings, whatever is fit for your unit. GALLOUPS will prove to be a perfect choice for anything from automized manufacturing unit to a simple assembly unit.
Very often you see that making something glorious, we neglect, we ignore basic things for the industries. These basic things are nothing but the uninterrupted power, communications and the water supplies and other amenities which are needed for the smooth running of the industry.
3 electric substations with 66 kilowatt capacity will ensure constant supply of electric power. Concrete paved roads and ample lights on internal streets will ease up transportation of your goods. There will be 5 overhead and 5 underground water tanks, maintaining continuous water supply. In addition to basic amenities, every industrial unit will have a distinctive green area with plantation.
Infrastructure and connectivities are very crucial as far as industry development is concerned, and as an industrialist, I will never like to compromise on this count.
A personal telephone exchange of the SEZ, powered with telecom tower and a Wi-Fi pool, will keep you connected with the rest of the world. A bank and a post office within the premises of SEZ will offer local solutions for financial transactions. To administer, troubleshoot and maintain your facilities, a dedicated office and staff at GALLOUPS will always be on the road. There will be a hotel complex, a luxurious resort inside the premises, lavishly furnished rooms, executive suites, spa, swimming pool and dining area. Everything that makes it an international standard hotel. The conference hall at GALLOUPS will pulsate with corporate meets, high-profile conferences, product launches and much more. Fortunately, at GALLOUPS, it's not all work. A nice place to chill out, a multi-cuisine restaurant for the foodies. There will be work, there will be recreation, but more than anything else, there will be safety and security at GALLOUPS. A modern treatment plant and solid waste management system will shield the environment from all industrial throwaway. Environmental balance will also be maintained by beautifully landscaped gardens, trees, herbs and other plantation on the common utility plot of the SEZ. This was the infrastructure and facilities part of GALLOUPS. Now comes the financial returns.
Government's plan of going to double-digit growth rate would be boosted by these SEZs in the country, and this is proven by the fact of growth of Chinese economy over last 5-6 years. What we expect is that there would be investment of more than 1,000 crores in GALLOUPS SEZ only, and that would cater to the requirement of almost 170 industrial units. So that itself, this kind of investment will throw a lot of employment opportunities.
As an industrialist, I believe at the end of the day, what matters is the customer satisfaction, productivity and profit.
ROI, return on investment, is the phrase around which all industry revolve. If unit in SEZ has to offer better ROI than an isolated unit, then that would become the first and foremost choice by any industry.
Geographically, GALLOUPS is a place in India, but technically, it will be considered as a foreign territory. Take a look at the special economy part of GALLOUPS Engineering SEZ.
SEZ is basically a win-win concept. On one hand, it generates multitude employment opportunity, and on the other hand, for investor, it offers 100% IT exemption for first 5 years, 50% IT exemption for next 5 years, and 50% plowback for subsequent 5 years.
You are allowed to import raw material without any import duty, and you can even procure it from the domestic market absolutely duty-free. You don't have to pay CST or service tax anymore. You get exemption from excise duty from all the materials purchased and sold. You don't have to run from desk to desk and office to office for export formalities. You get to attain a single desk clearance for all the goods that you export. Now that's what you call genuine return on investment. environmental friendly, industrial park, intensive safety measures, 24 hours basic facilities, global connectivity, high-tech infrastructure, international standard hotel complex, and the best of all, highest return on investment with benefits of SEZ. Isn't it a dream proposal? Welcome to the industrial paradise. Welcome to your gateway to global business. Welcome to GALLOUPS SEZ.